Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do the revision of letters U, N, M, V and W. Okay? Now tell me which letter it is? Letter U. This is capital letter U and this is small letter U. This is capital letter U and small letter U. What is the phonic sound for letter U? Letter U sounds A. Letter U makes the sound A. Which are the words that start with letter U? A umbrella, A umbrella bird, A umpire, A up and A under. Again, A umbrella, A umbrella bird, A umpire, A up and A under. Now children, can you say what is the formation for letter U? How will you write letter U? It is a short letter, so we will start from the second line. Okay? Draw upward curve, come back on the same line and touch the line. Letter U. Draw upward curve, come back on the same line and touch the line. Letter U. Children, which letter it is? This is letter N. This is capital letter N and this is small letter N. What is the phonic sound for letter N? Letter N sounds N. Letter N makes the sound N. Which are the words that begin with letter N? Necklace, nightingale, nose, nurse, net. Again, necklace, nightingale, nose, nurse and net. Now, can you tell me how will you write letter N? What is the formation to write letter N? Draw a downward curve. So, starting from a short standing line, go up on the same line, take a curve to the right, come down and touch the line. Letter N. Let us say once again, draw a short standing line, go back on the same line, take a curve to the right, come down and touch the line. Letter N. Which letter it is? Letter M. This is capital letter M and this is small letter M. What is the phonic sound for letter M? Letter M makes the sound M. Letter M sounds M. Moon, mother, mug, monkey, milk. Okay? Again, once again, which are the words that begin with letter M? Moon, mother, mug, monkey, milk. Okay? Now, how will you write letter M? A short standing line, go up on the same line, take a curve to the right, come down, again go up on the same line, take a curve to the right, come down and touch the line. See, letter M എഴുതുന്നത് letter N എഴുതുന്നത് പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. letter N ന് ഒരു curve ആണുള്ളത്, letter M ന് രണ്ട് curves ഉണ്ട്. Again, once again, a short standing line, go up on the same line, take a curve to the right, come down, touch the line, again go upon the same line, take a curve to the right, come down and touch the line. Okay? Next letter we have to revise today is letter V. This is capital letter V and this is small letter v. What is the phonic sound for letter V? Letter V makes the sound V. Letter V makes the sound V. Which are the words that begin with letter V? V van, V vegetables, V violin, V vase and V vulture. Let us say once again, V van, V vegetables, V violin, V vase and V vulture. Okay? Now, how will you write letter V? What is the formation? We start from the second line because letter V is also a short letter. Write backward slanting line, touch the line and followed by a forward slanting line. Backward slanting line, touch the line, forward slanting line. Okay? Next, this is, yes, very good, letter W. This is capital letter W and this is small letter w. What is the phonic sound for letter W? Letter W makes the sound V. Children, when you say the sound of letter W, you should hold your lips like this. V. Okay? Letter W makes the sound V. Now, which are the words that begin with letter W? V woodpecker, V walrus, V watermelon, V well and V windmill. Once again, V woodpecker, V walrus, V watermelon, V well and V windmill. Okay? Now, what is the formation to write letter W? Letter W, letter V എഴുതുന്നത് പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. 2 times letter V എഴുതിയാൽ letter W ആയി. Okay? Letter W is also a short letter. We should start from the second line. Okay? We start from the backward slanting line, touch the line, followed by a forward slanting line, again a backward slanting line and forward slanting line. Letter W. Okay? Children, I hope you understood these letters, phonic sound and the new words. Okay? Now, let us move on to the worksheet activity. Now, we are going to do the revision worksheets of letters U, N, M, V and W. Children, you should do the worksheets by yourself. Your parents will read out the questions for you. Okay? Dear parent, when your child do the worksheet, it is very important that you observe and guide your child. Okay? Always keep in mind that the child should do the worksheet by themselves. Okay? Children, this is our worksheet for the revision. The first question, circle the letters that you have learned. In bracket, letter U, letter N, letter M, letter B and letter W. What you have to do is, you should find out the letters that you have learned and color those letters in these boxes. Is this we learned? No. Which letter it is? Letter U. So, we should circle it because we have finished the learning letter U. Same way, you should find out every letter that you have learned and circle those letters. Next, write the missing letters. What is this? This is the picture of an umpire. So, what is the beginning sound? Umpire. The beginning sound is A. Which letter makes the sound A? Letter U. So, we should write letter U here. Okay. Now, this is the picture for violin. So, the word violin start from the sound V. Which letter makes the sound V? Letter V. So, we should write letter V here. Okay? Children, while you write the letter, you should say the formation of that letter. Okay? Do not forget to say the formation while you are writing. Same way, you should complete all this. Next, match the capital letters with the small letters. You can see two boxes here. From this box, you should match the small letters to this box. The first letter is capital letter W. So, where is the small letter W here? Yes, here. So, you should draw a line from capital letter W to small letter W. Same way, you should complete these letters. Okay. The fourth question, identify the letters and color with appropriate colors. Here is a box. In this box, for letter M, you should give yellow color. Your parents will help you to read out the colors for the letters. So, where is letter M? Yes, this is capital letter M. You should color this letter M with yellow color. Okay? So, take out the yellow color pencil from the crayon box and give yellow color for this letter M. You should always hold your pencil properly with 3 fingers like this. See? ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ വേണം എപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങൾ പെൻസിൽ ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ. Okay? So, for letter V, you should give orange color. For letter N, you give red color. Okay? The same way you should complete these letters. Your parents will help you. Next question says, circle the first letter of each picture. Okay? Here is a picture and a box is also here. In that box, we can see 3 letters. Okay. Out of that, we should circle the letter. Out of that, we should circle the first letter of that picture. Which picture it is? This is the picture of a nurse. So, a nurse, the word nurse start from the letter N. Where is letter N? Yes, this is letter N. So, we should circle letter N. Okay. Now, what is this? This is umbrella. The word umbrella start from the letter U. So, in the box we should find out letter U. Where is letter U? Yes, the first letter is letter U. So, we should circle letter U. Likewise, you should complete these also. This is the next worksheet for our revision. In this worksheet, here is a box given. Dear parent, the letters are given in this side. Find out each letter and ask your child which letter it is. When she or he says the correct answer, you have to put a tick mark here, and when he or she says the correct phonic sound of that letter, here also you can put a tick mark. Then ask her the words that begin with that letter. So, the first letter here is letter V. So, we can write van and vase. You write any two words. Same way you should complete these letters also. The next question, write the lowercase letters of capital letter N, M, V, W and U in the circle and color the picture. Okay. So, the first letter is capital letter N. You should fill up this circle with the small letters of these letters. So, in the first circle you can write small letter N. In the second circle you write the small letter for letter M. And here you write small letter for letter V. Likewise, you should complete these two circles also, and finally you color this picture. Okay. The third question, match the following. The pictures are given here and some letters are given in this box. First, identify this picture. What is this? This is necklace. So, the word necklace starts with the letter N. So, we should find out which is letter N. This is letter N. So, we draw a line from the necklace to the letter N. The next picture is vase. Vase starts with the letter V. So, we should draw a line from the vase to the letter V. Same way you complete these also. Next, join the dots and color the picture. In this box, a beautiful picture is here, but first we should join these dots. Okay? Children, while we doing this, you should do it very slowly and patiently. Okay? Carefully join each dot. When you complete this join the dots, what you should do? You should color this picture. Okay? You can give any color to beautify this picture, and you color the background also. It will be nice. Okay? Hope you all understood today's revision class for letter N, M, U, V and W. Okay? See you again in the next class. Thank you.